If you're a beginner, without any skills, trust me, you can still earn up to $250 per hour. If you're unsure about how to start earning money online with the easiest online jobs for beginners, you're in the right place. This video is for you. Today, I'll share the absolute easiest way to make money online in 2024. Let's dive in. Before you dismiss the idea because you lack a degree or specific skills, let me assure you, this job doesn't require any qualifications. There are countless opportunities in this online field, and that's in product tester job. Trust me, my friend, without doing anything, without any skill, by just test other products, you can earn millions. People are making millions simply by testing products before they hit the market. Don't think this is just about luck. There are millions of job opportunities available in April 2024 alone. Let me show you something eye-opening. If you search for product tester jobs in the USA on Google, you'll find a staggering 182,000 job listings for April 2024. This real-time data indicates high demand for this type of work. Finding a job in this field is easy, and it's incredibly profitable. People are raking in millions by simply testing products. Imagine earning money just by trying out new products before they're released to the public. So, don't wait any longer. Head over to Google and sign up today for a product tester job. Start earning money right away.